Hello and welcome back. I'm Michael Collins, and today we're continuing on with the Moore's Edge website, and we're going to be doing the CMS collection for the recommendations. And if you recall from the earlier video, this section right here is for position only, because if we turn on, if we unhide the real section, there's nothing there. And that's because we have to create the CMS collection. So let's go ahead and do that now. So I'm in the CMS collection, adding a new collection. The first thing we're going to do is do the categories. And you'll see that it's already ones here that they've put together. Just for the heck of it, let's click on it. They have icon, color, why not? So let's use this one. So we'll create that collection, and we do have some categories to put in there. So we have activities. Actually, activities or activity? The activity. And day to day is, or day to day is anything like groceries, a pharmacy, that kind of thing. Drinks is always an important category. It's probably not drink because you may have more than one. Entertainment. Come on, food. It's always high on my list. Just getting my little mouse pad thing. Where's the mouse? There we go. Health and beauty. So spa, massage, yoga, shopping. And let's do one more, sightseeing. Okay. And now we want to create the recommendations. Okay, singular recommendation. And here, what I've done is I've perused the schema.org site on recommendations. It's not, the term is proposed, it's not in there yet, but it's a good sort of baseline to go through to look for information that should be in the recommendation. You don't have to include everything in here because there's a lot. There's a ton, but enough so that it will eventually get picked up. And this is, I'll create this and go back. So in the page, in this head area, we're going to put some JSON LD markup for schema. And for the recommendations and for a lodging business. And this helps the search engines figure out what it is that our site is about, and we'll pick it up from site searches that are done that include information from there. So Provincetown, 3-bedroom vacation rental, that type of thing. So let's go back. Continue creating a collection. And so what I've gotten out of it is, so the name is the item being recommended. So it could be restaurant, activity, whatever, something in our categories. So I'll need multi-reference category, because some things, spelling. So something could be food, drink, and entertainment in those 3 categories. And really it is required. Headline. So now we'll put that in there. Headline. Then we want an abstract. This could be multi-line. Does it give? Doesn't say number of characters, so that's fine. And then we'll do a longer description. Not that that has to be in there, but we do require the abstract. Let's require the headline, see what happens. We may unrequire that. And we do need a rating. Which will be an option. Now, there is really no specification on whether it has to be a star rating or what. So I'm going to do highly recommended. Recommended. It's fine. If you have to. And meh. Or don't do it. Keywords. We might add those in, but I do need a location. That would be the address. I do need telephone. And I do need, whoops, not a file. URL. And let's have a main image. Main image alt text. Multiple images. Now, I tried this on another one, and I had to put text for the telephone URL. Text. A URL. Text. Okay. We have 3. I suppose we could have drinks. Now I'm cheating with the headline because it's in their tagline. I am using just lorem ipsum, but it's from The Godfather. Rating, highly recommended. Location. Oops. Wondering if I did something weird last time I did this. Oops. image and the alt text, and then let's drag in the other 2 images that I have. For the gallery. And I think that is it. So that's the first one. I'm going to pause it and I'll put in 2 additional ones. Okay, I now have 2 others in there. One is the museum there, or one of the museums. And then, oh, name, Jimmy's. And then the big supermarket that's there, which is Stop and Shop. And so now we can start creating this. Wish it didn't say blog. I should be able to rename this. Stop that. Recommendation item. Perfect. Just one more thing. All right. So now when we copied this over, it comes in blank. So what we can do now, is start to put in this is where it becomes, do I rename everything? Leave it the same. Or build it from scratch. Oh, can't do that. Why can't I do that? Oh, I can do that. Good, very good. Oh, I think we're getting rid of learn more. Unless the host is willing to keep writing. Okay. So I took that and copied it over. So now I can go through and make changes. So I just highlight this is if we're going to go into detail, you know what, I will put it as that and then discuss it with my client, whether he wants to do that, go into detail. So now let's get the image. And the alt text. Oh, here we go. Main image alt text. Let's change these few other things first. I want that to be the name of what it is. This we'll put as, let's put that as abstract for now. And we'll leave learn more on there for a bit. So now this section, or part of this section, I'm actually, because I had the multi-categories, I need to put in another collection. So I put in the collection. I want this current. Oh, no. No, not yet. Current category. Name. Very good. Now, I have to do something with that. Let's move it out. Oh, right. I need to take that. There we go. There could be multiple. add another one. And then 0.5. I don't know if it'll go to 2 lines. If it goes to 2 lines, let's do 0.5 rem for now. Good. And then we're going to turn this into the rating. It's fine. And then we can get rid of these other two. And change the name. Semi-bold's good. Let's try this. And what's it in? That's its own thing. So one rem. There we go. I think that's really it. Let's just check it out. I think sometimes when it takes so long, I might start reading passages from a book while it's being published. Of course, it probably has to be non-copyrighted material. Maybe I'll pause. Okay, it didn't publish, had to publish again, and then realized I forgot to turn this section off. So let's go hide this section. And publish again. This time it should be faster. Hopefully. Maybe? Yes. And let's see what we have. Great. So now if you do click on it right now, it just goes to a blank page. Oh, you know what I forgot to put on there? The location, the telephone number, the URL. So let's go back and do that. which means I am going to get rid of the link. So instead, I'll put in a div. And then I want a text block. Oops. That should go there. Location. Add another text block. Location. Wonder. Put each one of these things in a margin bottom. And then, and we'll call this recommendation details container. Telephone. URL or website. This gets telephone. Now why? Let's do this one. All right, I have to go look at something. Hold on. Okay, I'm an idiot. This isn't a text box. This needs to be a link text. That's why I need the telephone text. So the first one is setting the link, the actual link, and the other one is setting the text. You could have them for both, but like this URL, see, it just says Stop and Shop, but the store location URL is much longer. So this gives us the opportunity to shorten that and not really tell anybody. They'll click on a link and they'll go to the store location. Same thing with the phone. Now the phone link, if we look at it here, down here, you'll see that it says the tel : plus the number. And that's, if you're on your phone and you click on that, it'll ask if you want to dial that number or call that number. All right, so now that we have that, I'm going to get rid of this learn more. And let's do what do I have for titles? Title. Nothing. Okay. Let's go take a look in the style guide for a minute or a few seconds. And I don't want it to be these seem a bit large. .25, that's 18. We could actually do 16. Text size small. Oops, that's less. That's probably 14. Text size, what's regular? 1. Ooh, what's this? That's text size small. That is text size really small, extra small. All right, let's do text small, weight, semi-bold, all caps, and text small. Okay, that puts it on one line for that one, but not for the other ones. Semi-bold, all caps. Text size small, semi-bold, all caps. Text size small. Text size small. And then does this? It doesn't. Okay. So I want to first look at links. It's supposed to. Underline. It's not underlining. Why? Text size small. Oh. Let's see. Nope. Okay. Maybe. Text style link. Ooh, blue. And I get it. I don't like it. Yep. So that underlines. Beautiful. So it doesn't go anywhere, just stays here. That's good. This one goes somewhere. But we haven't set the page up. So there's nothing to go to. Then we'll do one more thing. And then we should be able to figure out the details. We're adding a recommendations page because I'm sure that there's going to be more than the 3. So now FinSuite has this extension. It's a Chrome extension that adds this into the Webflow page. So then if we go to components, we go to client first, we go add core structure. What it does is add a few bits to the page. Which is good. I'm really hoping at some point we'll be able to add our own. So for instance, this header wrapper, I could turn this into a symbol. Same thing with the footer. And then just go and add those. There. Section. Oh, right. So we can actually just go back here and copy the section that we had the recommendations in. Bring that to the other page. Possibly. There we go. Excellent. So now once we just trying to see how long I've been recording. Oh, long. Okay. Once we add some more, we'll start adding some attributes from FinSuite to be able to sort these by the different categories. And then back on the home page, we can do something similar to the amenities. And I created a collection for the amenities. Right now they're in alphabetic order instead of grouped by an amenity category. So there's like kitchen and bathroom and safety. And if we look, it's just all over the place. It's not categorized by those, which would make sense. You know, having heating and air conditioning together, the washer and dryer together, all the kitchen stuff together. But we'll do that another time. So that's it for today. Thank you very much. I don't know if I said it. My name is Michael Collins. And if you have any questions, comments, please leave them below. Cheers.